you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And I'm sorry I'm kind of late, but guess what? Today is my birthday. Well, my birthday's about to be over. It's about to go on 12 o'clock. But your girl is the big 19 today. But I just want to tell you guys about my day. And as you guys can see, I have the hair installed. I did promise y'all that I will come back with another video on, the hair and stuff like that. But I kind of messed up because I didn't upload the other video until like Tuesday because I was having trouble uploading it Monday. And I'm kind of late today because I was supposed to do a birthday vlog for you guys. But stuff was just kind of, But I'm here now. And I have this hair installed. But I just want to tell you guys how this hair did for me today and everything. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, my lighting and stuff is in the other room. So I'm trying to make this work because I did promise y'all I'll record a video for you guys. And I'm sorry if I'm whispering. Everybody in the house is kind of like asleep. So I'm just trying to, be quiet as possible. But today, I didn't really do anything special because I told you guys I won't really do anything until the weekend. But today, me and my friends, we just went out to eat and I got my hair done, and that was basically it. Like, it's nothing special. But I enjoyed my day with the people that I love and stuff like that. It was fun. But I'm just ready for the weekend because this weekend I'm going to act a fool, like a fool. So I just can't wait. Like, I wasn't really even excited about today, even though it's my birthday. I wasn't like that excited. I was excited, but I'm just like thinking the whole time today, like, I'm just ready for the weekend. I'm not doing anything. Like, it's just, okay, I was born this day, but I mean, like, I'm just ready for the weekend, for like the actual turn up time. But I had my hair appointment today at 2:30, and I probably finished getting my hair done probably around like 5:20ish. And when I tell you guys, when she was installing this hair and when she wetted and stuff, it was so freaking beautiful. It's kind of big right now. It's not really that big, but when it's wet, you guys, it was like so beautiful. And I will do a video on, how to, maintain, curls or whatever. But this hair is like so beautiful wet. Like, I love it already. It's soft. Oh my god, you guys, it is so soft when it's wet. And like, I just put she sprayed some water up there, of course, but she plucked my frontal, whatever, and she glued it down, and she bleached the knots and stuff, did little baby hairs or whatever. But when I got home, as soon as I left there, it got back puffy. I guess because she didn't really put any product in there but just water. So when I got home, I had a spray bottle and I had some leave-in conditioner. I can't remember the name, but like I said, I'll do another video on you guys on all the products and stuff that I have. I basically just use the same products that I use in my natural hair I'm going to use the same products that I have for my natural hair because I just spent a grip on that stuff when I had my hair out. I'm just gonna use like a little bit of this, but I just sprayed some water and some leave-in conditioner in this, and then I used some kind of curling stuff that I had in there, and it did wonders for this hair, and it smells so freaking good. Yeah, and I just like, I really like it, and it was just like, it was small. I mean, it's not really that big, but like I said, I've been gone since like 7 and it's going on like 12 o'clock. So yeah, so this hair kind of got big a little bit, but not really that much, but so far this is like my first time actually trying like curly hair. And when I first got it done, I was like, do I like this on me? Because I'm so used to like straight hair and stuff. But my friends, what is that? Y'all, something just fell from the ceiling. Lord have mercy, Jesus. But my friends, they were like, you look really cute with it. And I was like, I gotta get used to it, you know, 'cause I'm not used to curly hair. But y'all, I'm feeling myself. Like, I think this looks so cute on me. I love it. You know, it's something new. Like, I'm just used to getting straight hair, but this is like something like, you know, new. Like, I'm feeling it. This is 4 bundles of 24 inches, and this is how the bundles look. And I have in a 20-inch frontal. I already told you guys in the previous video. And this is how long the bundles are. For them to be curly, they're still long. To me, it's like the same length as my last bundles, but straight hair is down like to my butt, so it's a good length. And so far for day one, this hair is like really freaking good. Like, it's soft, it's shiny, and it's like beautiful. Like, why did I order this hair before? Like, what was I doing? Like, this hair is so bomb. And you know, it's day one hair, but we'll have to see what it has in store for me later. But like I said, I have heard nothing but good things about Ali Pearl Hair Company, so it should be good. Like, it should be nothing bad. But back to my birthday. That's basically everything about the hair. Like I said, I only had it in for one day, but I will do another video next week so you guys can see how the hair is basically doing. But back to my birthday and how things have been going. Like I said, I didn't really do anything today, but you know, basically get myself ready for the weekend. I got my nails done Tuesday. This is how my nails look. You guys can really see it because of the lighting. This is me basically saying I'm going to be like simple, but I told myself I'm on a budget, I'm going to be simple, but that did not work out because I end up still paying $65, which wasn't really that bad because I got my feet and my nails done. But I was supposed to just get white, just plain white, no designs, no stones, nothing. But I end up getting stones and design. Well, I gotta be so difficult. But I got my nails done Tuesday, my feet done Tuesday, and I was so excited because oh my god, y'all, my clothes came today, and I'm so excited. But I'll be doing another try on haul for you guys, and then my other outfit's supposed to come tomorrow as well. So I guess when that comes, I'll do a video for you guys, but it probably won't be no time this week because I work tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to do this birthday vlog for you guys this weekend so you guys can see it. You know, like I said, I was supposed to vlog today, but didn't work out. But Friday, I'm supposed to get a room. Saturday, I'm going to the club, add me a section, and it's just going to be lit. Like, I'm telling myself it's going to be lit because it's my birthday. Can't nobody mess it up but me, and I'm not messing it up. So, yeah. But that was basically my day. What my birthday consists of, nothing special. But I thanks for all the birthday wishes that was sent my way, and you know, I had fun for the most part. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay beautiful.